Hi guys, so now I would like to dye the silk with Shibori technique. Actually, I already stitched and drawn the pattern in here, like the wave pattern, and then already stitched all the fabric in here. And now we like to pull like this and then tie it, the fabric. This and then tie it. And I also have the one that's already stitched and tied. Oh, here's the fabric that I already shibori, already tied and get ready to dye the fabric. So here we have like two, then this is the technique. So if you see my previous video about how to shibori your fabric, so the first is you need to sketch, and then after the sketch you need to stitch. This technique is called boshi. So boshi shibori is need to stitch the fabric like this, and then you need to pull all the thread like that, and then after you pull all the thread, and then you tie it, and then go tie it all the fabric like this. So the result will be like this. This one is the result, and then get ready to dye. So the fabric that covered by the thread, the color will be white, just like the fabric base color. And then the fabric that not really that not covered by a thread, the color will be like blue or maybe red or maybe something that you need to dye. What color do you want, like that. And I would like to cover this one also with some plastic, so I just would like to dye this part only, like that. Okay, let's go see how we dye the fabric. Now the fabric is already covered by plastic. Don't worry, the plastic you can wear it like 2 times, 3 times until the plastic is what is pulled back. Now we need to dye this silk and see how the pattern is. So now I would like to open the shibori after dyeing process, and here's the result. This is most satisfied part. I think I would like to open the another side in here so you can see the pattern. Ta-da! I need to open more so you can see the whole pattern. Okay. Now I'm on the halfway. You can see the pattern like this. It's just like sisik ikan. What does sisik ikan mean? Sisik, like that. See? I'm finally done. See? So cute.